खुला आसमान सस्ती दारू और घटिया दोस्त और क्या चाहिए. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and today we are going to review another movie, Upstart. It's a story of three young graduates, because it's not about an ordinary movie of three people who are starting up a business, but it is all more about their bond, their love, relationship, and their romance with each other when they started anything out of the scratch. So the story revolves around three friends. They come up with a plan that how they can start up a new business while linking with the big brands with the ordinary villagers. Because some news comes about the like flood or anything that they something like this, and they say that it's very hard for the people, those who are stranded with water. They don't have a link with the cities, and how they come up with the idea to bring them together, so that they there was an opportunity for them to create a business while helping. And it was like a more into social cause and not like a business. So they start up with this business, and then there comes investors, and they are interested in helping them, supporting them. But divide and rule is always the priority of those who are the bigger crocodiles in the business. So they just played this game, and thus there comes the challenges. They have to leave each other because they found out that now we are becoming like a corporate, and we are not into the thing that they were really dreaming or pursuing, because they were thinking that they will really like to help people while starting up their own business. But it ended up into different directions. Their friendship is gone, and you will see the challenges the other friends are going through, while one is sidelined with the fate or the challenges around him, and he comes up with other people and swayed away by their investment, and thus their whole bonding was gone. So you will really like this movie, because I don't want to really reveal more, because the like they come up with that idea, but with the passage of time, the simplicity is gone. Brands occupied one of their friend, and especially the greed for post and promote, like just like to be a focal person instead of going up with the team, because alone you cannot do anything. You really need a team. Anything you start up, every ornament, every equipment or everything that you use is your ornament that you garnish or beautify your startup. And if you will cut them off, or you will remove them from your list of priorities, you will end up by nothing. So that happened with the guy, and he ended up with nothing, and he has only everything to lose, whereas his friends, they are still there waiting for him. That's why their friends are always there. So they just come up with a good idea to how to help them, how to go through all this. And you will really like it, I hope, because there is charity involved, there is challenges, there is like a charisma in friendship. You will really like all these things, and I hope if you will really like it. There is another two movies and web series that I have similarities, like Miss India. It's all about the tea branding, startup challenges for the women, and another one is the South Korean web series. It's all about startup. You can also watch it on Netflix, and I hope you will really like it. And it's all about very relevant to your life, and it's more about being human and having the same sorts of challenges that you will really feel or face once you have come up with these kind of ideas. I hope you will like this, and like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications, and be the part of our family. Subscribe and press the bell icon, and also comment below, and whatever you really suggest, Amazon or Netflix, I would really like to watch it. It's good to learn some new things. Yeah, it's very hard for people, and especially to come up with an idea. But execution is always important. But you need very strong people around you. So the movie is all about it. Kindly watch it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.